Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
These are pretty good. Okay, we are ready to.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, the sales are going so well in this
Alhamdulillah.
season. What do you think, Hakan abi, in this summer, which project is gonna be like the best?
I think,
For
do you
sales.
remember the Up on the Hill position? There is a one project which is containing the magnificent sea view.
Yeah, the one which has the all
Yeah.
big social facilities.
Yeah, it is the one of the biggest construction project of the Kocaeli, and also it is gonna be ready to move in a couple of months, like less than 2 months. What do you think? Why don't we share that last situation of that beautiful project with our subscribers? We should introduce that beautiful project in Arabic too. So, brother Ammar, كيفك؟
الحمد لله. كيف حالك انت؟
الحمد لله طيب زين.
طبعا زي ما قال الاستاذ هاكان اليوم عندنا استاذه نور.
هذا المشروع من أكثر المشاريع اللكجري في كوجيلي. راح نشوف هذا المشروع مع بعض.
So, are you ready guys?
يا انا جاهزين.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate Channel. I am Hakan OZER and
Myself, Yasir Shafiq.
brother Yasir. Why are we here today?
Because now this project is close to completion. Just 2 months are left. After this project will be ready. That's why we want to show you this amazing housing project again. In the whole Kocaeli, this project has the biggest social facilities. We will show you everything. It has outdoor swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, fitness room, sauna, hammam.
Also cinema room, kindergarten, market, bakery. It's like 5-star hotel concept.
So from outside you can see we have a very big swimming pool, outdoor swimming pool over here. You can see there is a small playground for the children. When your children are here, they are playing. This is really a nice place for them. Now let's see the view from this side, from this angle. We are in an advanced project. At the same time, we are right in the nature.
Sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
We will show you something really extraordinary. So stay with us, okay? Give us a chance to show you this whole project and you will be surprised. It's really amazing. Okay, let's continue.
So let's have a look to indoor social facilities section together. When we reach this section, directly indoor swimming pools are welcoming us. Right over here, there is such a big swimming pool for the adults, and right over here, there's a small swimming pool for the children. On the right side, there are sauna, salt room, theme room, Turkish bathroom, cabinets are available. On the left side, I want to show you directly, fitness room is also available. Look at that device.
Many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall?
All the devices are up to date.
So it's like a complete detailed gym.
And also as a location, we are here just 10 minutes far away, here to city center.
Yes. If you guys are interested in some kind of exercises, I think almost all kind of equipment is available here for women, for men. Like there are treadmills and you don't have to go and pay extra for some special fitness. Let's see what we have more in this compound. After this fitness room, there's also one small reception you can see. In the future, after 2 months, we will have specific reception over here. There will be one lady or one gentleman taking care of your membership and everything. And in this building, we also have a complete table tennis court. Right now there is just one table, but they were telling us there will be like almost 5 table tennis tables over here. From here you can also reach the outdoor swimming pool. And after some time, like after 2 months, there will also be one restaurant over here. You can reach the restaurant from this place also. And one more very important thing, this is a connection to all the apartments. Come. This is connecting to all the compounds. You can directly come from your compounds from this direction also.
As we mentioned before, the concept is totally 5-star. Cinema room. Yes, we have cinema room right over here, but it's not active yet.
Fitness room, we have swimming pool, cinema room, everything inside this compound. Here you can find sauna, fitness room. Come, let's see together, okay? So when you are coming in this place, there is also another reception. In the future, there will be also one person helping you about this place.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
There is like very VIP stuff over here. So on the right side, there is sauna, salt room, and on the left side, we have hammam, Turkish hammam. So let's continue with Turkish hammam first.
Go, 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 go.
So within 2 months, it will be ready. So that's why we don't have enough light. But I will try to show you in the best way. Let's see together. Guys, this is Turkish hammam. You can see the quality they have used is really nice. It's traditional Turkish hammam.
Masseuse are gonna work in this compound too.
Also, there are rooms over here.
Foam rooms. Yeah.
Specific rooms for special kind of massage over here.
Massage and foam.
Massage and foam, yeah. The ceramics they have used is really nice, high quality, everywhere. Okay, now let's continue. Again, this project is really big. Do you know how many apartments we have here, guys?
362.
362 apartments, starting from 1+1 and going up to 5+1. All the apartments, even from the ground floor, you can have a complete Marmaray sea view. This room is known as yoga room. In the future, you can do yoga exercise over here. After hammam, come over here and do yoga.
Alright, look at that beautiful big apartment. Let's have a look to details of the one beautiful sample property together.
I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
So welcome to our sample property. What we have as a specification for this property, we have 160 square meters gross area inside the flat, which is including 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms, with smart house system inside the property. So come please. Right over here, there is a common W section separated directly near the entrance, and you can see the first quality cabinets for the dressing. You can put your clothes over here easily. And heating system of the property, we have natural central heating system under the floor.
And one more thing I want to mention, if you look into this bathroom, they are using whole wallpapers, and this is high quality wallpapers which are very efficient against water and anything.
Come. I wanna see the most
Yeah,
important.
let us show you the best part. Come. Look at this amazing, magnificent sea view.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
In front of us is separated the governmental forest. Nobody can build anything. It means your wisdom cannot block by any building.
That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Quality of the weather is so good. Concept is perfect. Location is so close to the city center. What you are looking for? Come over here.
Also, one more special thing about this project, which is installments.
Installment payments, apartments, luxury apartments. As a foreigner, to get the installment payment method is really hard, but these companies providing that services.
The best advantages of this project is installment. You can pay 50% as down payment, and the rest of the money in 3 years you can pay in installments.
kitchen section, we have first quality countertop like the chimstone. Material of the countertop is the best quality chimstone. We have electric stove top, and right over here exhaust available. Cabinets are the acrylic material, and there is artistic LED details are available. And also the company is providing the oven too. This actually Turkish brand. It's such a good brand.
Yeah,
So
let's continue.
Let me show you the living room section.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything.
Nice and spacious living room section is welcoming us. On the corner, these are the most valuable 3 rooms plus 1 living room apartments because we have scenery from the 2 edges, from the right, from the front. And you can reach the balcony from your living room too.
And one more thing, guys, look at these pipes. This is for AC. In the future, if you want to put your AC, you can direct put AC over here. You don't have to make holes, okay? So let's continue now. This house has 3 rooms. So this was one bathroom in the entrance, and this is a complete bathroom with shower section.
Go, 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 go.
And whole complete bathrooms are using wallpapers, which looks more elegant.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Now we are coming from the bathroom. I
And-
think let's go to the master room first. Let's show them something special also.
Of course.
Go, 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 go.
And these cabinets in the future, you can also make such cabinets in your places. And from this side, we have a valley view.
Green Valley
Green
view.
Valley view, look.
And if you are looking for the public transfer, you can see the bus stop direct. It's near the compound.
Yeah.
And you can see the city buses over there. In the master room, we have attached bathroom over here.
I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go.
So guys, this is another room. You can say this is a children room. And already they have given you a concept. If you buy such house, which kind of furniture you can use. And all these windows are double action. You can open like this, and you can also open like this. All advanced. In these houses, the insulation is very high. You cannot hear anything from outside, and also the heating system is very efficient.
Definitely.
Okay, now let's have a look to the last room. You can say it's also one more children room over here. You can also make your small office or a study room. Each room has one window, which is very nice. The back of the rooms are looking for Green Valley view. In the front, you have a sea view. Facilities are amazing. In this whole project, you can find everything, just name it. So please comment below what is the best thing you like about this project.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go.
I hope that you enjoy what you saw on the video. If you like our videos, please do not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. If you want to be part of that beautiful apartment project, please directly contact with us. My name is Hakan OZER, and
Myself, Yasir Shafiq.
my mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. Brother Yasir is gonna repeat my number again.
0090-532-207-8634.
For the price details, please check the description section of the video. Thanks for watching, and fi aman Allah.
Go, go.